One, two, three.
Everybody's trying to break you, but you're already broken, dear. So what are you still doing here? You just wanna prove you can take it. I found you out in the hallway and asked if you felt alright. You told me you felt alright, but I think you're just trying to fake it. Now I should play your games and you just accept the way your cards are dealt. I used to think that I loved you, but really I just hated myself. You put everyone down, but you don't know exactly why. I know you're miserable, I've been there before, but you could at least fucking try.